Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into your Nothing Phone 2A. So in order to do that, grab your SIM tool. So it should be included into the box. However, if it's not, you can use anything. So find a SIM card slot here, right at the bottom of your phone. Insert your SIM tool into a little hole here. Give it a little push. And now we've got our SIM tray out. So grab it, take it out, and here it is. So grab your SIM tray, grab your SIM card. Now on the SIM tray, you can see the direction of how should you enter your SIM card. So simply follow the direction. Make sure that the contacts are facing top, right? Now grab your phone. Make sure to match the hole here, right? And the hole at the end of your SIM slot. And now let's enter our SIM tray back. Easy as that. Now give your phone a few seconds to locate your SIM card. And now as we're connected to the network, so the SIM card is adjusted to the phone. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.